Here are two 2002 Bryant Central air conditioners at my mom and dad's house, or at a vacant home. But actually, it's a vacant home. So they have scroll compressors, I believe, but also have that one's got a scroll compressor. Just right there. But they have scroll compressors too. The model number is 561CJ042-F. And it says Bryant Heating and Cooling Systems, and this is a central cooling air conditioner, but actually a central air conditioner. But this is about 1.4 square foot area. So you can see it. That one's got a big scroll compressor. That one. Yep. Here's the upstairs. But you can see it. And that one, maybe they're dual zone units, because the dual zone units, the sanctuary is based by two 4.5 ton packaged air conditioners. So maybe the two 4.5 ton packaged air conditioners were right here. So, yep. So here's my brother's lawnmower. They just did it yesterday or the other day. They just did it the other day. I don't know what these ants are doing. And that one's got a big scroll compressor. They have scroll compressors, I believe. But these are actually central air conditioners. And I'm gonna name this video Dual Zone 2002 Bryant Central air conditioners, but actually central. But this is a central air conditioner, but actually a air conditioner. But yep. This is made by the Bryant fan motor, same fan motor, and matched it to gas furnaces, which are in the garage, and matched it to the gas furnaces. They matched it to 75,000 BTU Bryant gas furnaces. Yep. Or Whirlpool. Or I messed up. Whirlpool gas furnaces. But actually, Whirlpool gas furnaces. So, that was just my neighbor's chickens. Whatever they're doing. Look at that, damage to the compressor. It's already cracked. And this one is a 15C unit, an R22. It is, and this one is a 2.5 ton. But actually 2.5 ton. Bryant sticker is faded. It's faded to heck. And this one, that one is there's really, really faded. Here's my dad's office windows. But yep, here's the basement window. Here's the basement window, which is here's the basement window. It's actually a base model gas furnace. So maybe actually a base model gas furnace. So stepping on the stuff to get over here. So yep. So that one's got a tiny scroll compressor. It hasn't been. Yep. This hasn't been run for a while. This has run last night. maybe last night. But actually run last night. But it hasn't worked. And get the serial number in this. And the serial number is 2001-834662. Oh, I'm sorry, I messed up. Serial number 2002-834662. Manufactured 20th week of 2002. And the model number is 561C J036-F. And this is a 14 series unit, and it says it is a central air conditioner. Actually, a central air conditioner. Here's the upstairs. Yep. And this one is the prod number, but I'll tell you that halfway through the video. So, yep, and this is a 14 series unit and R22, and this is a 2.5 ton. 2.5 ton. Let's go back to the house. So, of course, there are the vents. Actually, right up there. Thank you for watching. Over and out.